Hey guys, and welcome to day 17 of the 40 days of pours. Here is the dried result from yesterday. It is pretty cool. I'm still iffy about whether I like it or not. I mean, it's different, just definitely not my style. But I do know that somebody's really going to enjoy it. So today what we are going to do is we are going to do a waterfall pour the correct way. And we're going to do it over the bottom of a water bottle. So I literally just cut this off the bottom, there. And then I'm using just one of these cuppies to prop it up. And I'm just gonna set my little thing right there. All right, and so today we are going to do titanium white. Light green. Light green permanent. I'm not sure which paint this is. I didn't write it on the bottle, unfortunately. Primary red. And phthalo blue. And then I'm just going to do one more round of that. I'm actually going to put some white down as well. Paint the flow on. I'm just going to pour directly in the middle. Find something that's not going to prop it up. Or I'm going to do this and then prop it. I think that's alright. I'm actually not going to lift it anymore. I'm just going to... I don't know how to really get this piece off. I'm going to actually... Yeah. Alright, that didn't work. I'm going to stretch this out now. It's been a while since I've actually stretched. I've been so into the spinning lately. Get some of that white off. Alright, look at this craziness that we got going on. I like it. Very wild. Look at my hands. Alright, I'm gonna get a torch and try to pop some of these air bubbles. Alright, and I am going to bring you close up. Alright, here we are for our close up. I love those lines. That looks so cool to me. I'm almost getting like a 70s vibe from this painting. I love it. But this corner right here is my absolute favorite. I love that little white line that kind of shoots right through there. It almost looks galactic to me. And I love how my paintings have been kind of cosmic lately. Well, I will be back with the dried result for you guys tomorrow, and thank you guys for tuning in. Hey guys, I had to come back in with another close-up because unfortunately something fell on top of the painting, so I had to stretch it out a little more. So this is now the final result. A little more stretched out. I kind of lost my favorite corner, but I still love the little white stripe going across there. Alright, thank you again for tuning in.